Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. So what I have in my glass today, it's actually not wine. Okay, we actually have this is a chai tea with a liqueur in it. My cousin Alyssa, hi, she made this. Let's go ahead and get into this hair. Can y'all see this hair? This is something completely different. Hair is from samsbeauty.com. Now, samsbeauty.com is an online beauty supply store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy all types of things. And one of those things is this hair right here.
Here's the Ollie Bundles hair. It came with a frontal and 3 bundles. The bundles came in 14, 16, and 18 inches, and the frontal was 10 inches.
Now, let me tell y'all something right now. This hair was a labor of love. I tried everything to make her look the way I wanted her to look, and I ended up with this style. Now, this style was inspired by Ashanti's hairstyle at the Grammys. Kellen Derrick did her wig, so I wanted something like similar to that, something edgy, and I think I like it.
So I quickly wanted to tell you ladies how I created this unit. Of course, I bleached the knots. That's the most important part. You want it to be seamless since your hairline is going to be out. And what I did after all those fails with the hairstyles, actually just put mousse all over the hair. I didn't wet it first. I just added mousse everywhere, from Ruta to Tuta, honey, all over the place. And I just kind of started to style it in the direction I would have liked. I use a rat tail comb just to comb out some of the knots to make it a little bit more sleek. I think I could have combed it out a little bit more, but it actually ended up working out. So now I'm using the Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm just spraying the hair as I style it and using a toothbrush to get those edges. And I'm spraying it, I'm dousing this wig in this Got To Be Glued hairspray. So just keep doing it until you get the desired look. As you can see, it looks uneven, but it's just tilted on the head, girl. So now that we're done with that, I actually just clipped the hair back in the style that I liked and used a blow dryer just to get the last bit of it dry. And of course, we're going to use our wig grip here. Y'all don't look at my hair. It's a damn mess, honey. And I'm going to put the cap over the head. I don't like gluing down my wig cap. I'm just going to place it down so it stays in place over the wig grip. And now we're just going to place the wig on our head. So you can see that the frontal is very seamless. Now, I'm not really a fan of the hair as much. It dried out after heat styling it. Maybe it was my fault, maybe it was the hair, but I noticed that the frontals on this hair are really dry. But what I'm doing now is just using the end of a tweezer and spraying it with the Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and then placing it on the hairline so it melts it, but it doesn't tack it down to my head. This is a light hold, so don't do this on your date night, girl. This is just a temporary hold.
A wet look for Valentine's Day. What y'all think? I'm gonna show y'all the back. Okay, I don't know what it's looking like back here, but here's the back. But I think it's gonna go perfectly with these outfits that I'm gonna be showing you guys. That's gonna be perfect for the transition from day to night. It's gonna be like a casual sort of day look, and then nighttime you can just take them pants off, honey. But meanwhile, we're gonna get into these outfits.
Y'all, we're gonna start off with a little disclaimer. You can see the band-aids, the knee band-aids on my titties, girl, because I'm just trying to cover up the nips because I couldn't find pasties that were my color. But let's check out this red outfit that we have for Valentine's Day. Now, the first item that we have is this red lingerie top that I got from AMI Clubwear. It has an open back and it's super sexy on the back. It is a full panty lingerie. And now I paired it up with some jeans that I got from Target and some boots that I got from Amazon. And I'll leave a link to my Amazon store down below along with a link to the boots. And I also paired it up with this red jacket from AMI Clubwear. Love this jacket. Now the next outfit is a grown and sexy outfit. It comes with a lingerie, a thong lingerie top that is full lace, and I paired it with a cute leather jacket. This lingerie top is from AMI Clubwear. It has this keyhole back that I love, and the bottoms are girlfriend jeans, once again the same ones I got from Target. Now the lace detailing is super cute, and you can see that the front is completely sheer. The jeans look really sexy and kind of casual paired up with it, and I just threw with some heels and this jacket that I had from my closet. Nice little moto look, especially with this hair, girl. Now the next look is a little bit more sexy. Now the top I also got from AMI Clubwear. It's similar to the red one that I had, and I paired it up with these very, very sexy jeans and this little faux fur jacket that was in my closet. I think I stole it from my sister, girl. I be stealing things. Now this outfit altogether is really, really sexy, but kind of understated a little bit because you're not doing too much, but you're doing way too much. It's both of them. Along with the hair, it's perfect.
So yeah, y'all, that's basically it. I hope y'all really enjoy like my little day to night lingerie haul. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. All the links to the items that I mentioned from AMI Clubwear will be down below as well. I hope y'all enjoy your Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's night. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.